In part 2 of our home exhaust fan series, Joe and Jude showed you how to plan and frame a home exhaust fan installation. In this part, the fan will be fastened to a frame, then they will connect the fan and timer to a power line. First, the fan is lowered into the frame. Then Joe uses wood screws to fasten the fan to the frame.
Breakers off!
Breakers off!
He makes sure that the circuit breaker is switched off and unwraps the power cable. Carefully, he then strips all the cable endings and binds them to the fan's harness.
We have a crank timer down there, so I've got one wire going down, which is black and white, but I coated it with some black marking pen here. These two wires are down to the switch. When you crank it, it turns it on, and then as it ticks off, it shuts it off. So I'm feeding that timer with the hot wire that was up here, and we'll connect it to the motor now.